Hey guys, it's Melissa Feetsum, and I keep forgetting to show you guys something that is super cheap and really, really good for your business. And I just decided I was going to come on here and show you guys what it is because I keep forgetting. So this is something called a Docit. It was invented by a teacher. I'm a total dork and did the research, right? So I was trying to find some kind of folder that held everything that I needed for my business. And the reason, I mean, like literally everything, because we all have like flyers. Who has like papers out of control in their office, tucked everywhere, and then you go to find one paper and one paper's over here and one paper's back here and one's over there. So I got tired of looking for papers and I wanted all my papers in one spot. So this is what I found that would be the best. And this Docit opens up and it actually has 4 pockets behind these. So these are actually 4 tabbed pockets on each side. So there's 8 tabs in each one of these things. So I literally have like my new consultant letter, hostess stuff, and customer specials, and then my labels over here, some order forms in the back. Like I have everything that I need in this one thing. So now if I need this or that, I just grab this and I know it's in that one little spot. So that is your tip for today. Hey, Carla. That is your tip for today. That is just going to make your life a lot easier to get all those papers in one spot, especially for like mobile office too. If you needed to leave or you were going out of town and needed to make sure you had some stuff on you, that's a really great tool for you too. So just wanted to give you that tidbit today. That's all I have for you today. We got some more stuff coming up. I have a list of videos for you guys. And Grayson goes to school on Wednesday. He starts school. That is all 5 babies in school. They are not babies anymore. One's a junior in college, but baby goes to school, and we are going to, you guys are going to get hammered. The elite group, the poor elite group is going to get hammered. My poor team is going to get hammered because I'm so excited to get rid of all the kids. Some people get sappy and sad. I am like, oh my gosh, can I make it till Wednesday? So I'm pretty excited and ready to get to work. So I will talk to you guys soon. Bye.